Well, it's Friday, and Tim's getting ready to take them on their second walk, and they are absolutely wild. They've already gone through their first wildness.
Come here,
Okay,
Spencer.
look, Jack, you look like a negative in this. Here we go. Here we go.
No.
Here we go.
Yeah, you're gonna have to turn it off once.
Here we go.
Okay, Jack,
How
stay.
do I put it on standby?
Just
oh,
press
wait
the
here.
little
This
button.
is, oh, this is a good picture. Now, I'm going to record these puppies going berserk. They realize that Dad is gone. Can you hear King? Here we go. We'll follow them out to the foyer. Oh, I know. I know. Look at how nice King's being. Oh, that's a nice boy, King. That's a nice boy. And here comes Jack back to look. What good boys. Maybe you won't go as crazy as yesterday. But stay nice and calm. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I know. Life's hard, boys. Your King talking? What you saying? Jack's in the dining room. I didn't turn that light on. Walking around. Oh, Jack, I know. Life's really hard for you boys. Oh, poor Jack. Poor Jack, poor King. Dad must be on his way home. Dad's coming in with Spencer, and there's going to be a hullabaloo. There's going to be a hullabaloo, hullabaloo. Of course, they're not near as bad as they were the last time.
Come here, Jack.
Spencer's starting to bark. Don't do it! Come here, Spence. There he is. Don't you get King all going. Do you see Dad? You're a good boy, King. Let's see if they're doing. There's Spencer. Sweet boy. Let's see what King's doing now. He's just laying here being a sweet boy. Oh, my sweet boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. Look at Spencer. Waiting for them to come back. That's a good boy, Spence. That's a good boy, my Newfie. Yep. Tree. King is waiting here patiently for his turn. And Spencer's been sitting here like a good little boy. As cute as can be. You boys are so good. Is Jack in the garage? Or are you just sitting here, King, because Spencer is? But you boys sure look good. Let's get back here and get a better picture of you two. Sitting here waiting for Dad to come home with Jack. What good boys. Oh, Spence, you got a big old goober going. Got to put it on standby. Jack. And another switch out begins. How were you, Jack?
He was good. I could hear him barking all the way down to the cup.
Oh, I got King mooing.
Stay. We'll be back.
Okay, now let me get you dry, Jack. Now that they've had their walk, Spencer's just waiting for Dad to get home. Jack, let's go see where Jack is. Here's Jack, being as cute as can be. He's all dried off. He's going to lay down. There he is. He's happy now. Aren't you, big boy? Aren't you, Jack? Here's Spencer looking again. Where's Dad? Oh, you guys are all calmed down now that you had your turn, aren't you? Look at that big pink tongue. Look at that big pink tongue. Look at this big pink tongue. Look at them. Waiting for Dad. Cute as can be. Waiting for Dad. Jack, look at me. Oh, cute as can be. You're big, Jack. Let me get back here. Let's see. Big. Big. Love you. Look at how cute these boys are. I'm waiting for Dad. I don't know how good they're coming through. Is Dad coming down the driveway with King? Huh? Huh, Jack? Huh? Huh, Jack? Hey, Spence.